What are the uses of simulation software? Option A. Design a circuit. Option B. Design and test a circuit. Option C. Replace defective component. Option D. Solder and desolder component. উত্তর হবে Option B. Design and test a circuit. How the active and passive component are added in the circuit using simulation software. Option A. Clicking on the component group. Option B. Clicking on the list of component. Option C. Clicking from the similar circuit. Option D. Copy and paste from similar circuit. হবে Option A. Clicking on the component group. Which space is used to design circuit in schematic editor of the TPES software? A. Circuit workspace. Option B. File operation space. Option C. Component type space. Option D. Component group space. উত্তর হবে Option A. Circuit workspace. Which is electronic simulation software? Option A. AutoCAD. Option B. MS Office. Option C. MaxSpice. Option D. Photoshop. উত্তর হবে Option C. MaxSpice. How the performance of the amplifier design using the simulation software is tested. Option A. Using multimeter. Option B. Using measuring equipment. Option C. Using test and measuring equipment. Option D. Using virtual instrumentation testing. উত্তর হবে Option D. Using virtual instrumentation testing. Which software is used to simulate electronic circuit? Option A. AutoCAD. Option B. Multisim. Option C. MS Office. Option D. Photoshop. উত্তর হবে Option B. Multisim. How the circuit schematic drawn using the simulation software is tested. Option A. Using multimeter. Option B. Using analysis menu. Option C. Using virtual oscilloscope. Option D. Using external oscilloscope. উত্তর হবে Option B. Using analysis menu.